guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out the KARINA GARCIA slime kit. I am so excited. So I bought this from Target the other day and it's exclusively sold at Target stores and on Target's website. So if you guys want to go buy it, I will have a link below. This is not sponsored at all. I bought this with my own money and I thought it would be fun to test out for you guys. So I love KARINA GARCIA'S videos so much. I'm so excited to test this out. So let's just open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so first we have the instructions, I believe. Yes, here are the instructions. And then we have this bag with all of the things that come inside of this kit. So this is water gel, and then this is some really pretty blue glitter. It also comes with the glow in the dark powder and these color tablets, and also this cup to mix everything together. And then we have the glue, and then we have the slime activator, and then we also have the clear glue. And I forgot one thing, we also have this straw to like blow bubbles out of slime. Okay guys, so first we're going to be making translucent slime. I also grabbed a mixing stick. What is this called? Like a wooden popsicle stick so that I can mix the slime. Let's start off by measuring 2 tablespoons of the slime goo into the cup. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, clear slime goo. Oh, I literally thought this was like clear glue. I thought, okay, it's just like super liquidy. There's 1 tablespoon and here's the second one. So next it says fill 1 teaspoon with slime activator solution and then dump it into the slime goo all at once. Whoa, that is so cool. I really like the color, it's like a bright blue. So I guess this will be like a translucent blue slime. Oh, oh, do you guys see that? It's like already working. Usually when I make other slime, it takes a while to activate. Whoa. Okay, I'm just gonna keep mixing because it's still like super liquidy. Whoa, oh my gosh, do you guys see that? That is insane. This is working. Yes, KARINA GARCIA, I see you. You literally just have to keep mixing because look, now it's like kind of coming off of the sides. So like at first I wasn't sure if it was working, but you just have to keep mixing. It doesn't make that much, so obviously you can double or even triple the ingredients. Whoa, this is like a different type of slime. It feels really cool. I feel like I should have made more, but it is a little sticky. Should I try adding more of the activator? I don't want to mess it up though. But it's really cool. Like, it is slime. It's definitely clear. Definitely not perfect. It probably has to sit out for a few days in order to clear up all the way. I really do like it and it's super easy to make. Okay, next we are going to be making the opaque slime and I'm going to add glitter to this. And it says to add 1 tablespoon of the white craft glue, but I'm going to double this recipe because it won't make that much slime. So yeah, let's just add 2 tablespoons. Okay, then it says to add 1 tablespoon of water, but since I'm doubling the recipe, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Okay, here is 1 tablespoon and 2. I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to mix this. It doesn't say. Wait, I'll just add the glitter after. Okay, so let's add the slime activator. This is 1 teaspoon. I might need 2. Yeah, I'll probably need 2 teaspoons since I doubled the recipe. Okay, I'm just gonna mix that first, and if that's not enough, I'll add another one because I definitely don't want to over-activate this. Still like pretty liquidy though, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so you know the slime is ready when it comes off of the bowl. If it's like too sticky, I'll definitely add more of the activator. I wish there was a way just for us to buy like more of this activator, because it comes in this like tiny bottle and there's like way more glue. Whoa, oh my gosh, I like this more than the clear slime because it's not as sticky, but I probably should have added more activator. I really like this slime. I would definitely make more just because, as you can tell, it's not a lot here. But this definitely works. You can do the slime poking thing. I love this slime. Oh yeah, I was gonna add glitter. I almost forgot. I kind of want to add like a lot. Should I add the whole thing? Oh, that's a lot. Yes, this is so satisfying. Yeah, I definitely added too much glitter, but it's okay. This is so pretty. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Since there's like not that much slime here, it does like break apart a little bit, but like honestly, this is pretty good slime. That is everything. I'm quaking. Now I'm going to be making the glow-in-the-dark slime. So basically I'm just going to be making the clear slime and then adding the glow-in-the-dark powder. And I'm going to double the recipe this time because last time I didn't make that much slime. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of the slime glue and slime goo into the cup. Oh, I need to go wash out my measuring spoon. BRB. Okay, well, why am I making a mess? Okay, there's 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to pour like a lot of this glow-in-the-dark powder in there. Okay, I'm just adding the whole thing, honestly. Now I'm going to mix it together. Now let's add the activator. So I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon just so I don't over-activate it, because over-activated slime is not fun. Whoa. Yes, it's already slime. So I think it's ready. Now I'm going to go test this and see if it glows in the dark. I will take my camera with me, but I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. Whoa, you guys can actually tell that it glows in the dark. I know it's like super dark right now, but oh my gosh, this is insane. It glows a lot, but you can't tell on camera that much. Okay, this slime glowed so much in the dark. I wish you guys could see better in the clip, but this was honestly iconic. I really liked this slime a lot. The glow-in-the-dark powder works amazing. So now on to the next slime. So to make the water gel blob slime, all I have to do is measure half a teaspoon of this water gel powder and then place it in the bowl. The reason why I keep like switching bowls is because I've been too lazy to clean out the bowl that came with the slime kit, just being honest. So half a teaspoon. Next, all I have to do is measure 4 tablespoons of water and then mix it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, it's like already working. Whoa, wait a second. This is so cool. Okay, maybe this is my favorite slime. I'm speechless, as you can tell. I'm just like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's like really soft and fluffy. Guys, this is so cool. I mean, it's definitely not like regular slime. Like, you can't really stretch it, but it's just like really fun to play with. And it does the slime poking thing. All right, let's move on to the last slime because I could literally play with this all day. Okay, now I'm going to make my slime colorful, and this is going to be the last slime. So I'm taking one of these color tablets, and now I have to add 2 tablespoons of water in the cup and then watch it dissolve and then make like a regular slime, but it will be colorful. We have 1 tablespoon. Ooh. It's sizzling, okay. And the 2nd tablespoon. So once this completely dissolves, I'm going to follow the instructions for the opaque slime. Okay, so the tablet dissolved. I'm going to quadruple the recipe and add 4 tablespoons of the white craft glue. This is kind of satisfying. I don't know why. And I like to just use the popsicle stick just to get all of the glue out of the measuring spoon. Now it's time to add the activator. So it says 1 teaspoon, but I'm probably gonna have to add like 4 because I'm making a lot more slime this time. So I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon at a time because I have learned that if you add too much, you can overactivate your slime really fast. See, it's already coming together. I feel like a proud mom right now. Is that weird? See, I feel like the batches should say like use 4 tablespoons of glue because this is like a good amount of slime. Like you can't really play with the other slimes that much, but I still do really like this slime kit. Oh my gosh, did I overactivate this? It's kind of tough. I might have overactivated it, but like honestly, this is pretty good slime. I do really like this a lot. See, it's like kind of hard to pull apart, so maybe I should have added a tiny bit less activator. Okay guys, I absolutely love this slime kit. That is basically it for today's video. I would definitely recommend this slime kit. Like I said, I got this from Target and it was on sale. It was like $2 off. Usually it's $19.99. I think it was $17.99. So I think that's a great price. Even $19.99 is a great price because you get so many supplies. I do wish it came with more slime activator though. But other than that, I do really like the slime kit. That is basically it. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe down below if you are new and if you enjoyed this video.